Senator, what kind of federal support should the Congress give to pushes like this?
Well, I mean, right now, I think if I was in a position as a congressman and senator, I would not be looking for places to spend new money. I would be looking for places to cut funding. I think a brilliant idea would be to take the money that's being spent on embryonic stem cell research, end that funding right away, and just give maybe and save most of it. Maybe give a fraction of that money for things like this, so we can continue some of the research. But I think the emphasis has to be of doing less, not doing more.
Thank you.
Well, that's pretty easy. Okay, anybody else? Very good. Thank you all very much.
Can you just give like a basic, just to, the viewer at home who doesn't really, know what the difference, just a basic explanation of what's the difference between this type of, how this research will differs from embryonic research?
The idea behind using stem cells is stem cells can be coaxed into becoming specific types of cells. There's many different types of cells in the body. And embryonic cells, pluripotent cells, which are what these cord blood cells are, mean that these are cells that can be transformed into something else. Stem cells can be transformed into something else to then be applied therapeutically to solve a problem that is in that group of cells. There was great hope that you could harvest these cells from embryos, because embryo being the smallest life are the most vibrant because they grow the fastest. And so they thought, wow, this is a great research tool. We have these little cells that are supercharged cells, and they can do super things. Yes, they can do super things that we found out. They can create lots of tumors, and they don't work real well putting them in people who aren't embryos, because we are not embryos. We don't grow as fast. Our cells don't replicate as fast. And so getting cells that are further on, like at birth with cord blood, you have cells that are much more like the cells that we would have, and at growth rates that we would have, and therefore they're much more applicable to solving problems in adults or in children or in people who are born. And so what we found is that this great scientific tool, which is embryos that grow fast so you can do lots of cool things with them, don't necessarily mean cures. In fact, they don't mean cures. And that these other types of cells that can be ethically given through cord blood are absolutely the best types of cells to work with to get the kinds of therapies for cures. So if you're really interested in cures, not interested in providing interesting science projects for researchers at great ethical peril, killing human life, then this is the type of project that we should be involved in, and that's why I'm so excited to participate. Anybody else? Okay, thanks.
All right.